In this video, I am going to show you how to activate American Express in Gcash. The Amex Virtual Pay enables you to shop online from both local and international sites with daily total transaction limits. To activate your Amex Virtual Pay card with Gcash, follow the steps below. 1. On your Gcash app, tap Profile. 2. Select My Linked Accounts. 3. Tap American Express Virtual Pay. 4. Enter your email address and wait for an SMS to confirm your registration. 5. For existing Amex Virtual Pay holders, tap Get New Code. 6. Save and take note of your code to continue using Amex Virtual Pay. After you've successfully activated it, learn how to manage and use your Amex Virtual Card for your payments. As simple as that, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.